Hi guys, welcome to ZEE Animal English YouTube channel. My name is AR and I am a veterinary doctor. For more amazing videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So don't waste of time starting the video. Today's task is goat farming at village life interested video. Important, you should use any medicine under the supervision veterinary doctor. Important note, our channel cannot take responsibility for fixing your animal.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Thanks for watching this video at the end.